welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm gonna do makeup tutorial on this makeup look right here. And I just realized I haven't done this wedding guest makeup tutorial or party makeup or traditional wearing makeup tutorials. It's been like 1 year, so I thought why not, let's do this. This makeup look is especially for wedding guest makeup, party makeup. You can do this makeup even in your reception party makeup, and you can wear this makeup in your traditional dresses. So I just like this makeup, how it turns, you know. I just love the whole makeup, these eyes, and like I mean overall I just love this makeup. If you guys also want to see how I got this makeup look, then please keep on watching. And before jumping to the video, just make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell as well. So let's get to the video now. So yeah guys, I have applied moisturizer and sunscreen. Now moving on to the brows, I'm gonna use this Anastasia Deep Brow Pomade in the shade medium brown. And this brush, this angular brush. And that's it. And now I'm gonna take this blender brush and now let's move on to the eye makeup. So for the eyeshadow base, I'm gonna use this Essence I Love Color Intensifying Eyeshadow Base. This is so cheap, but you guys can use your concealer as eyeshadow base as well. It's up to you. I'm gonna blend this with this beauty blender. I'm gonna set this eyeshadow base with some compact. You can use any of your compact, or you can use any powder you have. So let's move on to the eyeshadow palette. For the eyeshadow palette, I'm gonna use this Jaclyn Hill Morphe eyeshadow palette. This one, I know I don't need to show you this palette. So I'm gonna take this tiny brush, and first I'm gonna pick this color. Yeah, this one. Now I'm gonna pack this color with this brush on my crease. And then I'm gonna take this blending brush from Soft Definer brush from Joeva, and I'm just gonna blend this, blend the edges very softly, you know. Just blend your eyeshadow like very perfectly. I mean very slowly and very gently. Just take your time and just blend your eyeshadow. Next I'm gonna pick this color with again this small brush from Joeva, and I'm just gonna bake this color from here in my outer corner. And my inner corner.
So yeah, just like this, as you guys can see.
And taking this small brush, this defining crease brush from Joeva, and then blending. And then I'm gonna take this brush and some concealer.
Yeah, I'm gonna create a hollow eye. So yeah, that's it.
And next I'm gonna pick this color and I'm gonna just apply here. And I'm gonna take this shade. Again, I'm gonna blend here the edges. So yeah guys, I did my another eye off camera and I'm just gonna clean this mess with this wet tissue paper, wet wipes to just clean the eyeshadow falls, you know. So yeah, that's it. Look at this mess. Now I'm gonna put falsies off camera and I'm gonna back soon. So yeah guys, I have applied falsies. I have used this Rebel Beauty Foxy lashes. If you want to check them, I'm gonna put their link, Instagram link, in my description box below. You can go and check them out. These are so affordable and so good falsies. So let's move on to the face now. So now for the primer, I'm gonna use this Frassil's Unicorn Essence. For my T-zone area, I'm gonna use the Professional Primer from Benefit. It minimizes your pores. So yeah, that's it. And my T-zone here and here, yeah, that's it. You can see the difference, by the way, before and after using this primer. For the foundation, I'm gonna use this Makeup Forever Ultra SD foundation. I'm in the shade Y255. In case you guys might be interested, or I think you guys know my shade. And of course, neck. Never ever forget to wear this foundation on your neck if you are going to the big functions, parties, or anything. So I'm gonna take this beauty sponge and blending. So always blend your foundation like in dabbing motion, not in like rubbing motion, for the good coverage and long lasting. Always choose your foundation according to your skin types. If you have oily skin or your skin type. So I'm gonna take a little bit more foundation. That's it. And then blending. If you love full coverage foundation, then go with the full coverage foundation. So let's move on to the concealer. For the concealer, I'm going to use this Maybelline Age Divine Concealer, and now it's going to finish. This is one of my favorite concealer, but I don't know why these days my under eye areas get so dry. So I'm in the shade Light Pale, this one. I don't need to show you guys, this is the regular one. So let's do this. So and now blending. Now I'm gonna take this loose powder. I'm not gonna bake. I'm just gonna apply only. I'm not gonna bake. And my chin. I'm gonna pick this color with this angular brush for my lower lash line. Then I'm gonna take this color with this brush and I'm just gonna blend this here. And now I'm gonna shade my foundation and concealer using this MAC Studio Fix Compact with this brush. I'm gonna contour my face using this Anastasia stick contour. Then I'm just gonna blend this. To set this cream contour, I'm gonna use this Pola bronzer from Benefit. This one. Jawline. For the blush, I'm gonna use this Elical Pro in the shade Just Natural. This one. This blush is so pigmented, guys. Now I'm gonna set my makeup. I'm gonna use this regular one, NYX Fini Matte setting spray. So let's spray this. Now for the highlighter, I'm gonna use this Fenty Beauty highlighter in the shade Hustla Baby. And I'm gonna take this fan brush. Look at this glow, oh my god, this highlighter is everything. I'm gonna use mascara to my lower lash line. Now for the lipstick, I'm gonna use this Jordana Sweet Cream Matte Lipstick in the shade 24 Strawberry Sandy. So yeah guys, that's the final look. I did my hair just very simple, yeah, and I just add this necklace only. Nothing on my ear. Guys, you can switch the lipstick sets and you can add even more jewelries or what suits your outfit. You can switch anything. So yeah guys, so what do you think about this look, guys? Let me know in the comment section below. This is the final look and I just love this smoky kind of hollow eye makeup and this lipstick. I just love the whole makeup, how beautiful it turns. So what do you think? Would you like to try this makeup or what do you think? Let me know in the comment section below, guys. So thank you so much guys for watching my video. I hope you guys enjoy this video as much as I do while filming this. If you like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and join my small family. That's all for today's video, and stay beautiful, stay positive and stay happy guys. See you again. Bye bye. Love you.